Yes, everybody, I just welcome you all for today's talk. You are health oriented people.
Of course, sir. We are.
And you are wealth oriented people, right? How many dollars do you earn per month?
Nothing.
Sir, currently $15,000 per month.
Exactly. And on exactly, your channel is monetized as well, right?
From not channel, from my business.
Exactly. And you guys are damn healthy person, right? No meditation, no yoga, is still no body shaming. Wait. On the health, you cannot discriminate anybody. You know, you have abused her here. This is very bad. No, please, sometimes you over limit, you just pass the limits, which is absolutely not good. There should be argumentation, there should be argumentative talks, but you cannot what abhi hurt ho jaye to kya hoga? By the way, so ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about this topic. I really appreciate your enthusiasms. I really appreciate your passion and compassion of talking on this topic. I would like to take one person's opinion from this team, and then everybody will be asking question and proving him wrong. May I know who would like to share opinion? Please go ahead.
So, I'm supporting. We should be health oriented because just I'm highlighting the point that in earlier time, the lifespan of people were used to be more than 100 years. But nowadays, we have lot of monies, we have huge amount of money, and our lifespan has decreased about 72. According to WHO, we have average lifespan 22 years old. But in earlier time, people used to live more than 100 years. So then tell me, what is the role of money nowadays? And one more thing. And one more thing.
Yes.
There are so many celebrities who has huge amount of money. But in spite of all these things, they are feeling sad. They have anxiety.
Yes.
So what is the role of money here? Yes. Nothing. So, okay, that's my point. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. I hope you understood the point. Please.
Okay.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, Mr. Kaif, sir. I would like to encounter your statement. You are talking about WHO. First, I would like to remind you, Mr. Vijesh, and you are my dearest friend, that who is funding WHO? The richest people. They are funding to take care of all the person who are unhealthy.
Actually, you are just going beyond that, my point,
And
sir.
the one thing, sir,
I'm asking about that. Average lifetime. And you are just telling about funding. You are manipulating, sir.
Talk about life expectancy.
Yeah.
I know very well.
Can we increase life expectancy?
So definitely, if we have money, if we are rich, if we are rich person, then by the good treatment, by the good things, we can. I have the great example.
By the money.
Listen me, brother.
Okay.
First listen
Okay.
me. There is a very great example for all of us, and he is one of the phenomenal person in our country, India, the Kapil Sharma. First, when he owned the prize, he was unhealthy. He has lost almost all hair. If you see his first speech, but now you can look at him. He's looking young. Now you can look at his hair. Now you can look the charming on his face. Why it happened? Because of money. That's money matters a lot. Most of the time, money can save your life, your relatives' life, your parents' life. If your sister, if your mother are admitted in hospital, and if you need money, that time you will realize the power of money.
Okay.
That's why we must have money.
Okay. I accepted your point.
Money grows you.
Okay. So can money increase your lifespan? No.
He has told about Kapil Sharma, of course. Yes.
Only he can be.
If money can make you healthy, money can increase the life expectancy.
No, sir.
Yes, of course.
He gave example of Kapil Sharma. He's rich. I'm gonna give example of Steve Jobs. He was more richer than Kapil
Sharma.
And what happened to him? He died because of what? Pancreatic cancer.
Steve Jobs died.
Yes, of course. Yes, sir. He died.
Are Steve Jobs Apple?
Apple CEO Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs
Sir, look at me, sir. If you want to be immortal by using money, then you cannot. I'm sorry, sir. But if you want to live a healthy life, then you can live because of your money. And your whole family can live healthy life and respected life because of the money.
Dear Upendra, you gave example of Kapil Sharma.
Yes,
They are
sir.
giving multiple examples. They couldn't save their life, even though
Yes, sir.
Even though
But sir, they have lived almost their life because of their money.
Michael Jackson,
Michael Jackson,
Muhammad Ali.
sir, he was getting multiple surgeries, multiple injections, multiple medicines. That's why he survived. That's why he survived 40 years. No, he cannot live more than 20 years, sir. Sir, this is the reality.
Why they are doing so? Because of health, sir.
No, sir, you are talking about Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson changed his whole skin. He was black, but he changed in white color, and he was getting injections on daily basis.
At that time, Michael Jackson, sir,
Sir, one
he's
point you are
talking
not
about
noticing.
Michael
Sir.
Jackson.
Sir, one point
Sir,
you are
know-
noticing
sir,
about
you-
me. I am telling that sir, that if you have money, then you cannot become immortal.
Actually, Birjay's point was on life expectancy.
Yes, sir.
You mentioned about Kapil Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Now the point is going to be raised on multiple people that they have passed away. They couldn't save life, even though they were having money. That's the point.
Salman Khan looking young, why?
Sir, if disease will come in,
Who says Salman Khan is looking young?
sir, if
Sir,
disease come in
no,
our life,
no.
sir,
Arey,
Sir,
looking very old person.
See your father and
His father, Salim, you're talking about his father.
Sir,
I mean, why are you targeting only one and two examples here? His point was life expectancy, or you are going other
sir,
points?
you must have your father at your home. How old
yeah.
he is?
Yeah.
60 years. What about him? If your father told that you have to walk 20 kilometer or 15 kilometers, he cannot most of the time.
He can. No, he can.
No, sir.
Of course. My father as well. Our fathers are farmers.
I have one point for you. In this time, you know.
And I'm telling you about my father.
Just I am.
Even my grandfather also can walk 20 kilometer, and he used to go bicycle.
He is active like our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. He is charming like our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has signing on his face like our Prime Minister Modi. Why Prime Minister has each and everything? Because of his money, because of his good treatment.
Because of his money, but
Sir, in this
Sir, please believe in this.
This point is really meaningless. COVID-19 was for both, for healthy people, for money-oriented people.
each
as well,
person.
right? But those who were having good and strong immunity, they said, and who were having guys good immunity? Who? Farmers, guys. Music. He was taking the example of his father.
Who
He
has
was
lot of money?
Sir,
Who
shame
has
on you.
lot of money?
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Rich
He's
person doesn't
doubting
mean-
on our father's humility.
rich
He's
person-
doubting on our father's
Rich-
humility.
My father is 60-year-old.
Rich person-
and even
rich
he is
person
doing
doesn't
work,
mean-
sir.
sir,
Even he's making money nowadays.
Rich person doesn't mean
People, father can never work.
Sir, rich person doesn't mean that they don't have good immune system. What about Neeraj Chopra? What about Virat Kohli? What about Rohit Sharma? What about Sachin Tendulkar? What about
They
Mahesh
have
Dhoni?
good health,
They are
sir.
healthy person
They have
and they are
good
rich
health.
person and they all are rich person. Why do you think a person have money? He is not rich person.
Sir,
You guys, I don't know from which village you belong, and in your village
I'm
COVID-19
from
doesn't
India.
come. Doesn't
Yes.
come. In COVID-19, sir, in COVID-19, people were suffering for the medicine. A person who don't have money, you have to pay the extra,
no, sir.
extra money,
Just listen to me.
extra money, sir, extra
Why
money.
you are shouting only? Government provides free of cost medicine.
Yes, sir.
Cost medicine. Yeah,
Sir,
free of cost medicine.
sir,
Yes, yeah.
Sir,
Vaccine.
by paying
Government made free of cost.
before coming medicine, what was happening? Sir, that was a
Actually, COVID.
Listen to me. Let me complete. Let me
What
complete.
about the
Let me complete. In
Sir,
COVID-19
first of all, you will have to
me
listen.
firstly. Listen to me.
The vaccine and the medicine taken by what? By the taxes, by the DST, by the rich people.
there
You
was a
can,
viral fever. And
Yes,
somebody
sir.
was getting medicine by paying money, and these
Yes,
guys
sir.
are talking about the
You are talking about the
free of cost money.
He is
Free
talking
of
about
cost
free of cost.
No, sir.
no, sir.
Modi gives all medicine free of cost.
People were feeling fear to go in government hospital because they were capturing people. They were sending them in the room, in the single rooms. People was feeling fear, sir. Nobody wants to go there. Nobody wants to go there. And these people are talking like this. Everybody was feeling fear.
I'm telling you,
One time food.
in that
When they used to have, sir, when they used to listen the noise and the horn of the ambulance, they feel fear that if ambulance will come in our village, they will capture capture us and they will send you in the hospital. That kind of dilemma was running.
In starting
And a
only.
person who was
It was
rich,
in starting
and
only,
sir,
sir.
a person who was
But
rich,
after
that person was getting
after
the cylinder
enough
of.
information, sir.
Sir,
People.
yes, brother, please listen me. The person who was rich, they were getting the cylinders of oxygen by paying money in their personal rooms. They were getting treatment in private. They were
It was
getting
impossible,
good kinds
sir.
of medicine, sir.
Even sir, hospitals were unable to get oxygen.
He's 100%. Yes, sir. Rich people, guys, stored so many cylinders.
Because of money.
Exactly.
Sir.
Okay, one by one. Listen.
As he said that life about life expectancy.
Yes.
So, firstly, जिंदगी बड़ी नहीं लंबी होनी चाहिए.
Yes.
If you are firstly listen. You are not getting my point. Firstly, turtle has 300-year life expectancy.
Okay, sir. I have answered.
Let him complete.
Life expectancy. And what about those people who has 100-year life expectancy? Then those people are just living like a fellow. And wealth people can just survive and just
Nobody takes care of them.
Yes, sir. Yes. And just
I'm answering you.
one. You know that in your whole खानदान को क्या बोलते हैं?
Clans.
In your whole clans, if one person are richer in your whole clans, then he makes your whole clans within 2 times ahead.
Now listen.
Yes. As you said that life should not be longer. Life should be valuable.
Life should not be, life should be longer.
By the health.
Okay. It means you want that we should not live with our grandson. If you die early, I'm telling you, if you die early,
Let me live my life. Why should I live, son?
part of life, sir.
What is this? Let me live my life. Actually, you're thinking of grandson.
It's also a part of life, sir.
Tell me honestly. Open bhai, tell me honestly. Tell me honestly.
Talk to him first of all.
Just tell me, just first tell me. Give me one question, sir. Why in this time many richest people, people want to live in village area? Why? Just tell me. Because of health.
Who wants to?
Richest people in this time, why?
Because
Every richest people. Amitabh Bachchan, just tell me.
you know.
I have no idea about many richest people. Why? And one case.
Rishabh bhai.
Because of health.
It was his point.
And second thing.
He's not
One
ready
case
to listen.
In this time,
Let him
sir,
complete, huh?
one case also happened in this time. A Nepali couple suffering a cancer disease. They have so much money.
They had.
They had so much money, but they are not a healthy person that time.
They were not healthy.
They were not a healthy person that time.
My wife was very honest here.
Their wife is very honest for him, right, sir? But he all money spent for disease.
For disease, yes.
Sir,
I just said that why
Sir,
richest
you are
person is
richest person.
why
You are
richest
richest.
person went
okay,
in the village
you have money. I have no money.
because of their
I want to justify. He mentioned about ki if grandfather is like 100 years old, there's nobody to take care. And what did he say? Did you listen? A wife cared her husband. This was called love. So grandson and son should also love grandfather.
Yes.
This is the beauty of love. So live healthy, be healthy, and make people live healthy.
And one point is also, one point is also.
Everybody want to live in village. And who want to live in Burj Khalifa? Who? Richest
Just for
person.
swing, just for
Richest
swing.
person. Richest
Just for
person.
swing, just for
Richest person. Richest person.
Just for swing.
In Burj Khalifa.
Just change your mentality, yaar. Be a,
You will waste all the money. What you have?
change your mentality and be a richest person. Change your mentality. Be a richest person.
Actually,
Saurabh was asking about the village. Rishabh was asking about that every rich person wants to come in village. But first, I would like to give you example. Who is the founder of Facebook? Do you know?
Facebook, yeah,
Meta.
of course.
Mark Zuckerberg. Listen me, sir. where he was living, in which city he was living, he hired more than he purchased 100 acre. He make that atmosphere peaceful, like the village, like the lonely place. By the money, by using the money. And
Why
now
he want
there
to
is
be
no
here?
person, there is no factory, sir. There is,
why?
he purchased. First, listen to me.
To live at a peace place.
Sir, if I have money,
This is where
if I have money,
a peaceful
sir, if I have money,
How long will you live there?
listen me, Bridges.
How long?
Sir, first listen me. If I have money, then I can purchase all the buildings of the city, and I can make that person like village. If I have power, yeah, I can purchase everything, and I can live peacefully life. What's wrong with? Why I will go back to the village where there is no?
Property.
Your shouting behavior cannot prove that you are right. Let him.
Let's be real, that kind of money is kind of hard to achieve, but good health is kind of easy to achieve.
Sir, what will you do by your good health?
That's the thing we have.
I'll enjoy.
What will you do if you do? Yes, sir.
Like sir said, कि जिंदगी बड़ी नहीं लंबी होनी चाहिए. So how will you make that short life valuable? If
Sir, we are just simply want to say, life is not temporary. Life is permanent.
Life is
Okay.
permanent.
You will have to understand what is the difference between temporary and permanent.
permanent is forever, temporary is like it can be gone any minute.
Sir,
And life is temporary, it's not permanent. You need to understand that. Moe.
sir,
She's trapped. You say life is permanent. Yes. Are you sure?
She was
sir, first of all, you will have to understand.
Life is temporary, it is not permanent. You need to say that. Life is temporary. We can
Sir.
anytime.
Sir, I want to simply say, what will you do by your only health if you don't have money?
I can do everything.
What will you do?
I
Buy
can do-
money, we can do anything.
I can earn lots of money. I can purchase
Sir,
everything.
sir, first of all,
One by one.
sir, okay.
Firstly, if I am a healthy person,
Huh?
I can do anything.
What will you do?
Everything.
What will you do?
I can do work. I can do
Where?
fun. I can do lots of money.
Why you
I
are
can
earning?
say,
Why you are earning? Because of money. Why you are earning?
Just I am.
Sir,
just I am a
first
healthy
of all,
person.
you will have to understand.
You prove. Arey, give me this. You first of all prove that how life is permanent. First of all, prove.
Just prove firstly.
You will prove.
You have to prove. I just have to.
How?
Minus here. How life is permanent? Tell me.
Sir, first of all.
By the money we can create the atmosphere on the Mars.
By the money.
No, I want to justify.
Atmosphere.
Actually, she wants to say you. Hey, bhaiya, sit down. Life can become permanent by money because you will be immortal after death as well. Right? Yes. Of course. Why not? It is possible. Ratan Tata. Yeah. Life is permanent, guys. Life is permanent, of course. Life is permanent.
Sir, if we are looking on Silpa Setti, what she has age?
What is your age?
What is her age? 54.
But she's look-
And you can see the bhabhi age in our family. What is a bhabhi age? What is a sister-in-law age? So because of money.
Healthy people like you, Rishabh, like Bridges, we are hiring as a bouncer by giving money.
Yes. My name is Javi Prasad. I am from Uganda. Okay. And you can see alternative. Everybody has alternative goal is. Everybody has alternative goal is earning money.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Of course, yes, no doubt.
Why you listen to me? Why you are sitting here?
Why are you sitting?
Why are you sitting here?
Because we are healthy.
Not healthy. Because not healthy. You are healthy. No. What will you do in future? What will you do in future? What will you do in future? Because earning money, it is an alternative goal.
What is alternative goal? Yeah.
It's not like if we have health, we don't need money, and it's also not like if you have money, we don't need health.
If you have this,
We need both, but health is upper side.
no. Listen. Okay. You have it. Listen. No. If you have if you have this, don't have money. What will you do?
If I have this, I'll get money.
I will live. If you have this, don't have money. What will you do?
I'll make money.
No. How can you do?
You can't make.
I will.
A.V. Prasad is asking what is the alternative goal of a life.
Properly life. Sir, everyone wants to earn money, sir. 18 million people died every year because of lack of money. They are suffering from WHO report. I also mentioned.
And WHO, according to WHO report, sir.
And how many? And how many richest person died? And how many richest person
Why
died?
you are only shouting, sir? Why you are only shouting?
Amit, you said 80 million people die every year, right?
And
And why are they dying?
Because of health.
Per month, according to WHO.
lack of money.
Listen to me,
They
sir.
have no best
Listen to me.
hospitality.
According to WHO, per month, crores of people died because of health. If you are suffering,
Because of money, diarrhea.
Okay. Amit sir, I'm telling you.
Yes.
Amit sir,
Amit sir.
I'm telling you. By money, of course, we can purchase medicines. Okay? And okay. But I heard by a great philosopher, I think great doctor, sir. He said that there is no any medicine which can cure a disease completely. Sir. So how can
No problem. We understood that.
You are only manipulating.
Good morning, everyone. So I am in the favor of health, and health because earning money can disturb your mental health, and it is very important for longer term to have a good mental health. When you do yoga, when you do interact with people, you have a good health. You will be mentally prepared what is coming next. And people are saying if you don't have wealth, what you will do. But I can do farming. If I have good physical health, I can do farming. I can make my own food. I can be. And wealthier people are very sad than healthy people. Healthy people are very sad. They are very low esteem, but they are very happy with their life. Yes, sir. And sir, for the famous example I can give is the Nana Patekar. He is a very good actor, but right now he went to village. He went to village for health and for his mental health to grow more. Health is very important.
You are saying we are living only here for food and health. Then what is the difference between animals and humans?
So why do you want to earn?
Because
why do you want to earn for peace night?
Okay.
For mental health.
I want to learn.
Mental health, na?
I want to learn because I want to good health. That's why I want to learn.
So alternative.
Yes, sir. Alternative.
No alternative. Listen, sir. Without money, how it is possible? Without money, how it is possible, sir?
Of course it is possible.
Without money, how?
By running, by walking, by exercise, it is possible.
Okay, we have got plus. Come on. Yes, Sachin.
Let me complete, sir.
If I am suffering from dialysis,
Okay.
Which juice will work?
I am suffering from dialysis. That time, money is important or not?
Of course no, because you.
Of course no. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Money is not important because in started time you no care your health. That's why you have.
I already mentioned.
We have put it
Yes.
Of course. Thank you, sir.
No, sir.
Shalu wants to say.
If I don't have a good face, I don't have a good nose, lips, eyes, I can easily change. By plastic. Yes. And I want to become an air hostess. Okay. My height is not according to if fit. I will start. Yes. By the surgery. I can increase.
And because of that,
Yes, and I can easily start my own airline. What?
What is the
But ma'am, you earn your life. Yes, I can earn my life. Why? By money? By the money. If I want to become an air hostess, my height is not according to fit. Okay. For air hostess, I can increase my height. I can even I can start my own airlines. Yes. And I can. And hire you healthy people. Yes. And hire you healthy people by serving. For serving.
Listen to Vijay.
As you said that by money we can get surgery, like we have small nose.
We can get big nose.
Yeah. But after getting all these things, there is a huge chance of get cancer, sir.
No.
Yes. I am telling you, sir. I am telling.
Sir,
Do you know about
actually
Sri
you
Devi? Do you know about Sri Devi?
Yes. We
Yes.
know.
Yeah.
How did she die?
I know.
See.
How did she die?
See, I know.
How was she? How was she?
How did she die? Tell me.
How was she?
He got so many surgeries. And
She's talking about the surgery. What about Michael
First of
Jackson?
all, I was
Which
talking,
type
I
he
can
have a
change
face?
my-
Which type he has a face? Michael Jackson. Tell me. As like a bandar. As like a bandar. Michael Jackson face. Yes. And
What she was? Ma'am.
like a hero?
You guys are not answering properly. Shalu. Shalu had mentioned about surgery. You're talking about this and that.
She said ki, if I am going to join the cabin crew and I earn money, that time I open my own
Earn money?
airlines.
Yes.
Yeah. By the money you open your
I can start my own airlines.
Of course.
Okay. You hire.
And I can hire you.
Hire
I
me.
can hire you.
Okay. We hire me. I am not kind person. I am not a loyal person. That time
You are not loyal?
I am saying if you hire anyone, the person is not loyal. The person is not good for your business.
Person is not healthy.
No, sir. The person is healthy, but the person is not good. The person
I'll
is
provide
not.
him training. Actually,
Listen my
before
point.
joining.
Listen my point.
Before joining.
And that time
If someone wants to become a, if someone wants give example, I want to give example of one boy, okay, who wants to become a girl, like her interactions, he can easily change her gender by money.
Lakshman Krishna wants to
just you are playing with the nature. You are playing with the nature.
No. Are sometime a person is kind of transgender. Are if a person is gay, he wants to become girl. It will be easily, of course, his gender can be transplanted.
Sir, if I want to the information about Pakistan and China, I can just change my whole face by surgery.
For example, sir, I am a HR of any company. Yes. Ambition, right? She is not healthy.
Yes, speaking like
I cannot hire because her health is very small. How can
First of all,
I cannot hire.
Sir,
very small. What does it mean?
sir, first of all, you will have to understand. I will start my own airlines.
On without
Why
health.
I will have
Without
to.
health.
Sir,
You can
Yes.
you
Do you
can
know?
start your own.
Do you know about Stephen Hawking? He was like this. Yeah. Then he is just
Mr. Kuldeep, first of all, I want to ask you, who made computer? Who made train? Who made airplane?
Of course, human.
I want to ask you,
Yes.
animal made train? No. What animal made train?
No, of course
This
not.
is difference.
So, if you made, what is the meat? So, Nasir bro, if you want to make train, you first of all you need money.
Yes.
How it is possible without money you made a train?
First of all, I have good health. Without good health,
How it is possible without money you have good health?
what you will do?
And Alva Edison, he had not money and he earns and he earns money. After earning money, he started business and he collected more of the engine's part and he started their experiments, and after doing this, he made bulbs. By becoming healthy, he could not do.
In this time, you are talking with us because of health. If you have no health, how can you talk with us? You are
Looking my body. I have no health. Looking my body.
You have no
No, I have only money. I have only money.
And
The power of money. Thalava. Wait.
Thomas Alva Edison
Yes.
made so many experiments because of health. If they were not alive, they were never made so many experiments.
He had a poor person.
He was a poor person.
He was a poor person.
You are
And
debating here because you are present here because your health is good. That's why you're here. Yes. And before some days, Upendra was absent because he had
Stephen, you know Stephen Hawking.
he had I think $500 million. And in spite of these things, he was absent.
Listen me.
Yes, he was absent.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Listen me.
Yes.
You know Hawkins.
Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawkins.
Yes, Stephen Hawking.
He was a paralyzed person.
Yes.
But he took experiment.
He was mentally good.
He was not healthy.
Mentally good.
He was not healthy. He was
Mentally. He was mentally good.
healthy means you have to do.
Oh my God! What you're talking about? Health is not about physical. Health is not about physical only. It's also mental.
Of course, very nice. Okay, Hitler debates. Anybody?
This is the biggest disease, yes.
I have one question.
I have one question.
I want to ask you, any person is spinal cord. Yes, spinal cord is broken. How can treatment?
Gentlemen, I want to give you example that if I have money, then by using, I can.
This is untreatable disease.
By using money, I can replace my spinal cord.
This is untreatable disease.
Yes.
Yes.
Because of the money,
Unavailable in India, in the world.
you are wrong, bro. You are talking wrong. If I have money,
Yeah.
Share opinion, please. Like Hitler, you have to share. Come on.
Good morning, all the panelists. This is me, Amit Survansi. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Now, I am favoring of wealth. Why? Wealth is very important. Without wealth, we are looking like an animal. With wealth, we can change, we can purchase, we can live best life. And it is very important for human. I want to help poor people. That's why money is very important for every person. Think about Vriddha Ashram. Think about orphanage. I want to donate some money and I want to open hospital. That's why money is very important.
sir,
During COVID, many people died in the front of hospital. Think about those people. You are just manipulating.
Actually, if you are healthy, you didn't get heart attack at this time.
Gymnastic man.
And
If
cross question about Eri Prasad. He told that what is the ulterior motive of our life?
Alternative motive.
Being the healthy person, being the healthy person is the ulterior motive of our life.
You know that.
Alternative.
You know that. What is the cost of hydrogen mixed water?
If you are healthy, if
You don't know. That's why I want to say. If you are
aware about
drinking,
your health, you will not drink that water.
I have money. That's why I am drinking 800-liter water. My health is good.
I want to
Because
I
of
want
money.
to ask you, whose parents in Vidya Ashram, rich family? Vidya Ashram, rich family parents in Vidya Ashram.
No.
Yes. Poor families, parents in home. Yes.
They never go in old age house.
I want to donate some money about poor people.
You said without money we can't enjoy, but without money we can enjoy. What about the village person, those person who's going the Pulia side?
So you want to enjoy?
He is not enjoying.
I-
He is enjoying without
I
money.
want to enjoy the whole country, though how it is possible without money.
What about these
But you
person?
want to enjoy only.
Because